to the Anthony Laundry Room. We just want to do a quick walkthrough to show you guys what it looks like. There's actually 2 of them in the Anthony Apartments. So there's one located near the single-story buildings over on this side. And when we looked at the Anthony Apartments, there's one over in that complex as well. So you can access both of those at any time. If you want to go over to the Scheidler Laundry Room, you're more than welcome to do that as well. It's open to all residents. So a few things about this one. You need to make sure to have coins. We do not have a change machine in this building, so you need to bring quarters. It's $1.50 for a wash, $1.25 for a dry. In this one, we have 4 washer units, and it looks like we have a 5th one here, and then we have 5 dryer units. We do have a folding table back in this area. We have, if you need to dry some stuff on a rack there, we have that in a sink, along with, here's how to get your stains out if you're curious. The water is softened here. I can see the water softener along with all the water softener salt over there. But yeah, this is the laundry room. Nothing crazy. Can't smoke in here. Can't smoke anywhere on campus, but you can't do that in here. And you're more than welcome to use this anytime during your stay here at our apartments.